everybody, we've got some more RevvinAction Disney Cars 3 toys. And this is Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. When you push down, she runs off to the races. The question is, will she beat Jackson Storm? He looks like he's ready to race. Woohoo! Jackson Storm 2.0 or Cruz Ramirez. Woohoo! But we also have fabulous Lightning McQueen, number 95. Look at that awesome blue color. And it says for Doc Hudson on the back. Will he be able to beat Jackson Storm in his brand new Doc Hudson colors? I don't know. We'll have to find out. But if we're going to race these guys, we've got to lay down a road. So, right now, we're going to take this awesome tape and we're going to make a road. Excuse me, Miss Fritter. We've got a road to build. So, let's lay this right here. There we go. That looks really good. Now we need a second road because we are going to race these cars and see who's faster. So, time for lane number 2. All right, we've got 3 lanes. So, this is our track. But at the end of the track is Miss Fritter. And she's over here. And then we have RV. And he's in lane number 2. And Dr. Damage. He's right here. They're waiting for their racers to come down the track. This is going to be so much fun. Uh-oh, we can't race yet. We haven't gotten them out of the box. Silly me. Let's go ahead and get these out of the box. I can't wait to see who's gonna win the big race. Here's fabulous Lightning McQueen. Let's see how he races. Woo! He's super fast. Now, who else do we need to get? We need Dinoco Cruz Ramirez. So we need to open up her box so she can race Lightning McQueen and Jackson Storm. There we go. Woohoo! And Jackson Storm 2.0. Igniter Liquid Adrenaline. And we're going to get him out. He's ready to race, champ. Woo. All right, racers. Take your mark and get revved up. On your mark. Get set. Go! Here's Cruz Ramirez, Lightning McQueen, and Jackson Storm. Woohoo! Oh no, RV, you can't be on the racetrack. Dr. Damage! Woohoo! Not Miss Fritter! You're a school bus! No slamming and bamming on this racetrack. Alright, time to rev them up. We've got Jackson Storm revved up. Cruz Ramirez is revved up. And Lightning McQueen. On your mark, get set, go! Oh! On your mark, get set, go! Oh no, there are animals in the road. Watch out, Bettina! Woohoo! She missed her. What about Jackson Storm? He made it through. Here comes Lightning McQueen. Can he miss the animals? Oh, whoops. Somebody better get those animals off the road. Jackson Storm wrecked. And Cruz Ramirez. And Lightning McQueen escaped. Race and wreck Cal Weathers. Trying to go Cruz Ramirez. Lightning McQueen, Bobby Swift, and Cal Weathers, the great racers. Cal Weathers is wrecked. Bobby Swift is wrecked. And so is Lightning McQueen. On your mark, get set, go! 1, 2, 3. But I just wanted to share these cool toys with you. If you have any questions, place them in the comments and subscribe to my channel for lots more toys. Thanks, guys.